Hello, today we will be learning about how to download a Google Drive. First, you have to open up any browser. Click here and type download Google Drive. Click on the first link. Here we can see that it says download drive for desktop. Click on that. Here the download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. Here we can see that our download has been completed. Now click on it. Here it says install Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive.pkc. Click on continue. Again click on continue. Now click on the install to install the Google Drive. Here it requires your laptop password. Click on install software. Our download has been completed. Here it says if you want to keep the Google Drive installer or not, you can keep it or you can move it to trash. I'm clicking on keep. Now go to Launchpad. Here we can see that Google Drive has been downloaded. Click on it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.